What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted and permanently deleted notes here on your iPhone device. Now we all know that when we delete a note, we do have the recently deleted folder which lasts for 30 days, but I'm going to show you how to even get notes that have been deleted even after the recently deleted folder. I'm going to show you a trick that will help you out in this video, but do not forget, if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel as it really helps me out. There we go. So very first thing we're going to do, let's open up notes in here, and as you can see, I do have in here a note that has been created today. There we go. This is the note. I'm going to type something here like hi test. There we go. So it's a test note. Go back. There we go. Now, let's say that I'm gonna delete this note, okay? If I simply slide it to the left and tap on delete, and then I go back, I'll be able to see this file or folder saying recently deleted notes, right? Once I hop into it, I'll be able to find my note in here fresh, recently deleted, and I do have up to 30 to 40 days in order for me to recover this note. If 30 days pass, then that note will definitely expire. But let's say that accidentally, before 30 days, I delete my note in here from the recently deleted and I'm unable actually to get access to that specific note. Well, you do have in fact a way of recovering, but you need to be very quick. Do it as soon as possible. So if you're watching this video, ensure that you try it first before you waste more time. The more time you waste, then the more unlikely you are to recover your note. Next up, you're gonna hop into settings, tap here on your iCloud account on top. Next up, you're gonna scroll down and tap here on iCloud real quick. Now, once you're here, you're gonna tap on see all, and then you wanna ensure that notes is turned on. So you wanna tap on notes and you wanna ensure that sync this iPhone is turned on. This is very important because if it wasn't turned on, I'm so sorry, but unfortunately you won't be able to recover your note. So it's important that the Notes app was already synced before with your iCloud in order for you to recover your note. Now, this unfortunately is something that you cannot change. If it hasn't been done before prior, then there's no way. But if it has been done, you can continue with the tutorial. We're gonna hop into Safari browser real quick. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is simply go all the way to iCloud.com. We're gonna hop into this website, which is iCloud.com, that allows us to log in into our iCloud device from the browser and access all the files which are linked into our iCloud account. Now, you can also access this website, for example, from your laptop, from your internet browser, from Google Chrome on your laptop, or from an iPad as well, or even a different iPhone device, no problem at all. Our main aim is to recover that main note that we've deleted. So we're gonna tap on sign in real quick, and then we need to log in with our Apple ID account. So here we go. It's gonna ask you for your email ID or phone number. I'm gonna tap on X real quick, and then I'm gonna type in manually. Once I'm done typing in my email and my password, I'll be brought straight into this page in here from where I can see my emails, my file, and local files. Next up, we're gonna scroll down a bit. We're gonna be able to see even Drive files that I've saved manually within files on my iPhone device, and that they have been synced here with my iCloud if it's turned on, of course. We even do have photo library here, down here, and many other details. So we're gonna tap on these dots here at the top right corner, and then we're gonna tap here on Notes real quick. So once you're here on iCloud Notes, you'll be able to see recently deleted in here, and in most cases, if you do it really quick, your deleted from recently deleted will not be deleted. It's gonna still show up in here. So you need to hop into recently deleted in order to find that specific deleted file and then simply restore it real quick. Now, if you're unable to find it over there, no problem. Check the manual folder here where you do have your regular notes, because you may be in a situation where it hasn't even been deleted at all. It's still there because it didn't have time to synchronize. What happens is our iPhone synchronizes with our notes and iCloud once a day or once in a while. It has a specific time frame to refresh and update. So you may have deleted from your iPhone, but it hasn't vanished from your iCloud. If it did, simply tap on the top right corner. We've got these dots, and then tap here on data recovery. Now in here, if you do have files that you've deleted recently, you do have up to 30 days to recover here a lot of information, such as bookmarks, contacts, and a lot more stuff. So you want to tap in here on restore files and see if you can find that specific iCloud note over there in order to recover it. So this was it for today, guys. This is how essentially you can recover recover notes and deleted notes here from your iPhone device seamlessly and ensure that you can recover them. I wish you all the best and good luck, because this is related to luck as well, to ensure that the file hasn't been deleted on time on your iCloud as well. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.